Our hummus is ready and we want to give it a try. Hummus mostly come from Middle East. People loves it as an appetizer. Some greens probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. You mix it with olive oil, definitely.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The King of Taste. Today we're making hummus. So if you come over here, I'll show you what we need. I've got 1.5 cups of chickpeas. I cooked them from dry beans, but you can also use canned chickpeas. Got lemons, cayenne pepper, cumin, tahini, garlic. You don't need the whole head, but I'll show you that later. Salt, olive oil, and of course a food processor. The chickpeas have been soaking overnight and they are all swollen and full of water. So I'm going to strain them and give them a good rinse. Some salt. So you want to bring it up to pressure. So turn it on high, and then once it's on full pressure, you can reduce the heat to medium, and we'll probably cook it for about 40 minutes. With the chickpeas, add some lemon juice. We like a lot of garlic. The best hummus has a lot of tahini in it, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a lot. Some cayenne pepper if you like it spicy. Definitely need some cumin. Salt. A little bit of olive oil. Pretty thick, so I'm going to add a little bit of ice water, smooth it out. So now you can see it's soft. It's not runny though. It's sticking together, so it's ready to eat.
Our hummus is ready and we want to give it a try, see how it tastes. Hummus mostly come from Middle East, mostly from Syria or Iraq. We do it also in Afghanistan or Iran, and people loves it as an appetizer, like it comes before food. So, Emily, do you want to give it a try?
Sure. Wow.
Yeah.
Got some nice flatbread.
Yeah.
Bought from the Arabic grocery store.
Yeah.
I'll just take a piece. And
Yeah. Some greens probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. You mix it with olive oil, definitely.
It's really good.
Yeah.
And very garlicky.
Well, if you like garlic, add garlic. If you don't like garlic, don't add garlic. But we love garlic, and I think garlic is healthy and it's tasty. That's the most important things. So it really gives you a very good appetite. That you want to eat like more and more and more. So just try it at home. If you enjoy it, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and like the videos. So it's just a support for our channel to grow more for you.
Yep. As always, the recipe's in the description below, so check it out.
Yeah. Mm. 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 And as always, elephant, of course. Immer dabei. In German, that means always with. Bye.
Eat some.
Oh, I say it like this, bye.
That's bad.
Bye.